Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce for donuts. This easy recipe creates a smooth, sweet glaze perfect for topping your favorite fried treats. We will cover all the steps, from gathering your simple ingredients to achieving the ideal consistency. Get ready to elevate your donut game with this delightful, homemade topping. It's a quick and satisfying way to add a professional touch to your baking. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 cups of powdered sugar, which is about 250 grams. It is important to sift your powdered sugar before measuring to ensure a super smooth sauce without any pesky lumps. This simple step makes a big difference in the final texture of your glaze, giving it that professional, silky finish. Now, let's combine our wet ingredients. Slowly add 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk or water to your sifted powdered sugar. Stir continuously with a whisk or spoon until the mixture is smooth and free of lumps. Then, mix in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic, sweet aroma. Adjust the liquid amount slightly to reach your desired thickness. The key to a perfect white sauce is achieving the right consistency. It should be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon but still flow smoothly. If your sauce is too thick, add a few drops of milk. If it is too thin, stir in a small amount of extra powdered sugar. Once perfect, dip your cool donuts or drizzle the glaze artistically over them for a delicious treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.